Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Real Avid Smart Gun Cleaning Mat. For people who want to accomplish their gun cleaning tasks in a much organized way, Real Avid Smart Mat is the best one to go with. The Real Avid Smart Mat comes in two different sizes, one for rifles and one for pistols. With its unique parts tray and small magnetic section, it is available in a wide variety to choose from. According to your weapon type and requirement, you can pick the one that is best suited. This pistol cleaning mat helps to make cleaning and maintaining any of your pistols more organized. The parts tray is connected to the cleaning mat and has a small magnetized section for small pins, springs, or parts. When oil, solvents, or any liquids are spilled on the lightly padded mat, they will bead up and not soak through, allowing for easy and quick cleanup. The non-slip backing grips most surfaces to prevent the mat from slipping around when you work on your gun. Our second best gun cleaning mat is Useful Thingy AR-15 Gun Cleaning Mat. If you're looking for a way to simplify your firearm cleaning, a gun cleaning mat like Useful Thingy Rifle Cleaning Mat is the way to go. Designed for cleaning rifles and is large enough to accommodate all rifles. It has a detailed diagram of the AR-15 with a brief history on the cover of the mat. Sturdy, durable, long-lasting as new. Non-slip bottom grip holds the weapon in place. Rolls up nicely for your range bag. Great size for rifle, shotgun, or ample space for handgun. Provides a soft surface pad to prevent damage and scratches to both weapon and surface. Gives you a place to lay out parts during maintenance, and you don't have to worry about accessories getting scratched or sliding around due to the texture of the mat. It is handy to have a full exploded parts diagram of every system on the R-type rifle, making you more familiar with your gun. Keeps you on track during assembly and disassembly. Also great for new gun owners with all of the parts listed. Soaks up any oil and solvent that would otherwise get on your cleaning surface. Must have to keep your personal work area at home clean and free of oil solvents. Third pick in our list is Lyman Essential Gun Maintenance Mat. Lyman is one of the pioneers in the field of reloading, shooting, and firearms accessories. Lyman, an innovator in the field of reloading and shooting accessories, has introduced their Essential Gun Maintenance Mat. Lyman's breakthrough design overcomes the shortcomings of traditional flat mats. Incorporating a collection of slightly recessed sections, the design keeps small items organized and secure from rolling off the bench and contains small spills during cleaning and lubrication. Further, the mat material is a tough but soft polymer that both protects gun finishes and is chemical resistant. The molded compartments contain spills and keep small parts out of the way of the main work area, but still handy and organized. For details, let's watch more.
Lyman's Essential Gun Mat has proven to be very popular with handgun shooters. And what better way to complete your firearm maintenance accessories than with a high-quality 10 by 36-inch rifle mat. The Lyman Essential Rifle Mat answers the need for shooters working on long guns with a firm but cushioned surface. The rifle mat is perfect for assembling and disassembling firearms, with its molded compartments, which keeps small parts and screws handy, yet out of the way. In addition, the mat is chemical resistant and cleans up easily. Protect your firearms finish as well as your bench with the Lyman Essential Rifle Gun Mat.
Number 4 in our side is Falco Gun Cleaning Mat. If you want to clean AR-15 parts, there is a crystal clear exploded diagram provided on the mat, which makes it super easy to disassemble your gun. This is not your standard gun cleaning mat. It is made of 1/4 inch rubber to give you a premium cleaning experience. Save yourself from spilling and staining your table. The anti-leak materials will help you clean faster and absolutely hassle-free. It comes in a gift-ready storage tube, also useful to store the product while not in use. Falco Gun Cleaning Mat is 2 times thicker as compared to other gun mats available in the market. And for this reason it protects your bench and gun surface better from getting scratches. For details, let's watch more.
Let's see what we got. Stuffing. And, oh, here it is. Look at this big tube it comes in. It's pretty cool. All right, take the top off, and it looks like here is the mat, all rolled up. Whoa, look at that. The print on this thing is crazy. Look at this. Look how clear and just high definition the print is. Oh wow, it's long. Wow, okay. It's a very thick mat. It's long, it's a great size. And the print, I can't get over how clear it is. It has a broken down model of an AR-15 showing every single part and component. This is quite the gun cleaning mat. And like I said, it's very thick, high quality. And this is going to be waterproof and oil proof. Absolutely perfect for cleaning your gun. And it just doesn't slide either. It lays flat and it doesn't move. Thank you guys for watching. This has been the gun cleaning mat unboxing.
Number 5 in our top 5 best gun cleaning mat list is Drymate Cleaning Pad. Drymate offers you one of the best gun cleaning pad for shotguns and handgun according to your requirement. The Drymate gun cleaning pad traps and contains the mess. Our mat is designed to protect your surfaces from scratches and spills. Patented Drymate material absorbs and contains liquids and wicks away moisture. The waterproof backing stops liquids from soaking through. The slip-resistant backing helps to keep the mat securely in place. Promotes a safe gun cleaning area. When cleaning your favorite firearm, not only it helps in keeping all the parts organized but also in protecting your bench and firearms from getting scratches. Machine washable or hand wash with soap, rinse off and hang dry. Do not bleach. This mat is designed to be durable and long lasting. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.